What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're on the Project R1 taking this thing for a little rip, and this thing already is feeling super smooth with that new front tire. We got that new chain and sprockets on there. Tires are balanced. Everything feels actually really good right now, which is great. This bike definitely feels very responsive, you know, and that's not even with like the power commander or anything on it, so I could just imagine how this thing is going to feel once it's mapped. So I'm pretty excited about that, to get this thing really dialed in and see how it performs. But so far this thing feels amazing. The carbon looks really good, as you can see, and I'm just pumped to actually be riding this thing. Yeah, bike feels really good, super smooth. So that is a really good thing. Definitely loving that. The only thing right now that's killing me is looking at this triple tree. I do need to, I'm gonna get like one of those carbon decals to go over it. And then obviously any little parts that's missing paint, I'll try to touch those up. And then just kind of take it from there. But yeah, wow, this thing's super grunty. Feels a lot more powerful than my 2001 model. And that thing's like mint. Like, this thing effortlessly lifts right up. I love that about this bike. This thing is super grunty. And like I said, it's got a full Acura exhaust on there, and it's not even really dialed in. So I'm expecting a little bit more out of it when we get it all dialed. Jesus Christ. Yeah, this thing rips, dude. This bike is ripping. But yeah, I gotta go get gas. I'm gonna meet up with my friend and just go for a little cruise. Probably nothing crazy. I hear that I don't know if it's coming off on camera, but when I let off the gas a little bit, I hear it crackling, and that's just music to the ears, right? Obviously nothing obnoxious, but it crackles a little bit, and I love it. Yeah, we got these LED lights in here, guys. These things are freaking bright. I don't even want to look at it, it's just blinding me. But even in the daytime, right now, where it's really not that dark out at all, I was able to see the light pattern and everything. So that shows me that these lights are going to be really awesome during the night. And I'm happy about that, because usually I'm an HID, guys. I'm an HID guy. Like, I always recommend everybody to have HIDs. And you know, maybe I found an LED alternative that actually suits me, that I think is really worth it. So I'll have to do a review on the actual light bulbs themselves, show you some riding video at night, just so you can see how they look. But so far, I'm very impressed with them. So Alright, so I think we're gonna stop to get a drink real quick and then probably go by the beach just to see who's out there. So I actually installed those blue LEDs on my buddy's bike. They look pretty good. They're obviously, it's not for everybody, you know what I mean? But they do look pretty cool in the night on the blue, I gotta say. They definitely look good with the blue fairings, so. Alright, cool. So, not blocked off, which is nice. Alright, I guess we'll chill here for a little bit. Have a drink. Man. I know, man. Look good with the black. Yeah, probably. The white lights. I know. Oh, got to put that kickstand up, boys. Not paying attention. Yeah, these lights are so bright, guys. I mean, granted, you're seeing his lights too, but trust me, on the way home, I'll just have a little bit of footage, and you'll see that they're fucking bright. Yeah, see, that thing looks sick with the blue lights. If the fairings weren't blue, I don't know how it would look, but it looks cool, I gotta say. It definitely fits that year bike. Throwback, baby. Oh, shit. What do you guys think of that tail light that my buddy has on there? I kind of like the round style that 98 to 2001 had. Kind of reminds me of the Corvette lights. It's pretty bright. It's not bad. Let me know what you guys think about that thing. It has integrated turn signals, but they're kind of shot. The LEDs don't really light up, so. Yours? Huh? Your bike? Was it yours? Maybe, I don't know. You hear it? Like a little tick. Yeah, Yamaha tick. Oh, the crackles, baby. I love the crackles that this thing does. It's not a super loud amount. It's just a tiny bit. It adds a little bit of sound to it. I like it. There's a lot of cops out tonight. I don't know what the deal is. Alright guys, so that's going to call it for today's video. First, good official ride on the bike. The bike is feeling amazing. It's feeling really good, so pretty pumped. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm going to do a review on the actual headlight bulbs. And obviously we got more parts coming for this thing. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.